Maji Maya Hishmahori Xafashi and Shaktan Shot, Majigobra Kabajilla Hocht, Iha Haina. We're working on chapter 8 of Halloween, Bunchelesh and Chima Okaji Specialta associated with the theme of special occasions. Agus fecum gwil ar vukla nua chimple and poster, agus play image and poster. I see that our new words are around the poster here, and we'll discuss these new words. So our kiad vukla nua dan shaktan na puka, ghost. There is another word for it called taifsha, so either or would be allowed. Taifsha na puka. Kalyak, witch. Hataburak, a pointy hat. And scuib, the broom. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Ool, apple, or oola are apples. Milshine, sweets. Canona, nuts. Sheig, fairy. Mask, mask. Don ala, spider. Agus fecum gwil na pastí ag Janu Bob no bia. I see that children are doing trick-or-treat, agus tá siad ag dul ó hacocha lena garja agus iad a leg glace the suas. I see that they're doing trick-or-treat, going from house to house with all their friends, and they're glace the suas, they're dressed up. Agus tagat na ag arcomai, everybody's looking well. Few awain na hamviha, even the animals. Ta Lola, cosul la conin. Lola's like a rabbit. Agus ta Taffy, cosul la mummy. Taffy the dog, and Madu is a mummy. Agus ta Karja saku, glista mar shiag. One friend's dressed as a fairy. Ta Oshimvag, or ta Buhul Ella, a glista sus mar pumpkin. He's dressed up as pumpkin. To Mammy glaced mar kalyak, Mammy's dressed as a witch. To Shan glaced mar vampire, as a vampire. Agus to Shifra glaced mar kalyak, she's dressed as a witch. Agus to Scoob in the laveki, she's got the broom in her hand. To Oshinvig glaced mar puka, no taifsha, he's dressed up as a ghost, or just ghost, puka, no puka. Agus to Cara Ella aku, agus she glaced sus cosile Robin as Batman mar leachvig, agus to mascara ayeki ega, he's got a little mask on his face. Agus to spree agus sport ag dulrai, there's lots of fun and games going on and shin. Agus ta shidig balju a cudge milshine in Mali bugga agus na pumpkiny. They're collecting all their little goods in bags and in pumpkins. Agus eishtgi in shafashti do dan na shaktana agus oran na shaktana, the poem and song of the week. This one is called Don Alla Spider. So it says, Is bralum iha hauna, I love Halloween. Spree is crack, fun and sport. Canona is milshine and nuts and sweets. Is barine brack and a barn brack. Don alla iglus gusahala. There is a spider hanging in the hall. Is bralum iha hauna, I love Halloween. Agus ishtom majanish don oran na shaktana. We'll listen now to their song of the week called Iha Hauna, Halloween. So that is our song of the week, Oíche Shamhna, is bra lummy, is bra lummy. Halloween, Halloween, I like it, I like it. Milshenachs canona, pumpkini agus ula, sweets and nuts and pumpkins and apples. Yum, 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 yum. Oíche Shamhna, to ugla urim. Halloween, Halloween, I'm afraid, I'm afraid. Cailleach agus puca. Cailleach is a witch and a ghost agus stone Allah and a spider. Boo hoo hoo, boo hoo hoo. So seo é ar bhocla nua don seachtain agus ar téama den Oíche Shamhna, our theme of Halloween. Bunig sult as Oíche Shamhna gatainna. Everybody enjoy now Halloween agus be saoilte, be safe agus Conní tú sa féin saoilte, keep yourself safe agus sinné gur a míle maigah.